Lucerne is one of those rare places where medieval charm, alpine beauty, and cultural treasures come together in the most unforgettable way. Whether you're here for a weekend escape or a deep dive into Swiss history and nature, this city has something for every kind of traveler. From iconic landmarks like the Chapel Bridge to breathtaking mountaintop views and world-class art, we're counting down the 10 absolute best things to do in Lucerne, Switzerland. Get ready for epic scenery, fascinating stories, and a few hidden gems along the way. Let's jump in. Number 10. Chapel Bridge. Chapel Bridge, or Kapellbrücke, is without a doubt Lucerne's most iconic landmark, and seeing it in person is even more magical than any photo online. Right in the heart of the old town, this covered wooden bridge stretches diagonally across the River Reuss, creating one of the most photographed scenes in all of Switzerland. What makes it even more special is its incredible history. Built in the 14th century, Chapel Bridge is the world's oldest surviving truss bridge. It wasn't just built for beauty, it originally served as part of the city's fortifications. Standing tall beside it is the 34-meter-high water tower, which once held prisoners, stored the treasury, and even functioned as a torture chamber. As you walk along the bridge, look up. You'll spot centuries-old paintings tucked beneath the rafters. Only 30 of the original 158 remain, but each one tells a piece of Lucerne's story. With the mountains as a backdrop, vibrant flowers lining the sides, and the old town nearby, Chapel Bridge was easily the most unforgettable sight during our visit to Lucerne. Number 9. Mount Pilatus. Towering over Lucerne, Mount Pilatus is one of the region's most iconic and dramatic sights. This rugged mountain massif isn't just a single peak. It's made up of several, with the highest, Tomlishorn, reaching an impressive 2,128 meters or nearly 7,000 feet. Getting to the top is all part of the adventure. From May to November, you can ride the world's steepest cogwheel railway. It climbs at an incredible gradient and offers breathtaking views the entire way up. If you're visiting in the off-season, no worries. Gondolas and aerial cableways run year-round, giving you a smooth and scenic ride to the summit. In the summer months, don't miss the famous Golden Round trip. This unforgettable journey combines a peaceful boat cruise across Lake Lucerne, followed by a thrilling ascent up Mount Pilatus. It's the perfect way to experience Switzerland's stunning landscapes from every angle. Whether you're here for the views, the adventure, or a bit of both, Mount Pilatus is a must-see that truly lives up to the hype. Number 8. Mount Rigi. Rising above the lakes and valleys, Mount Rigi is often called the Queen of the Mountains, and it's easy to see why. This stunning massif, formed by shifts in the Earth's crust, offers some of the most breathtaking views in all of Switzerland. What makes Mount Rigi especially unique is its location. It's surrounded by not one, but 3 lakes: Lucerne, Zug, and Lauwers. On a clear day, the panoramic views from the summit are nothing short of spectacular, stretching across shimmering waters and rolling alpine landscapes. To reach the top of this 1,797-meter peak, many visitors hop on the famous cogwheel train, one of the oldest in Europe. You can also take a gondola or a cable car, each offering a scenic and relaxing ride to the summit. Mount Rigi is a year-round destination, perfect for hiking and picnicking in the summer, and just as magical for snowshoeing or sledding in the winter. If you're anywhere near Lucerne, this is one mountain experience you don't want to miss. Number 7. Musegg Wall. Musegg Wall offers a unique chance to walk through history while taking in some of the best panoramic views of Lucerne. Built back in the 13th century, this massive wall was once part of the city's original fortifications, and today, much of it still stands strong. Stretching across the hillside above the old town, the Musegg Wall is lined with 9 towers. While not all are open to the public, a few can be explored, and they're absolutely worth the climb. One tower that stands out is the Zit Tower, home to Lucerne's oldest clock, dating all the way back to 1536. But what really makes it special? This clock gets to chime first, 1 minute before every other clock in the city. Climb up into the accessible towers and you'll be rewarded with sweeping views over the rooftops of Lucerne, the sparkling lake, and the surrounding mountains. It's a blend of medieval architecture, fascinating history, and stunning scenery that makes this experience a must while in Lucerne. Number 6. KKL Luzern. After days of exploring Lucerne's historic streets and scenic landscapes, it's time to switch gears with a world-class cultural experience at KKL Luzern. Sitting right where the Rice River meets Lake Lucerne, this stunning modern complex is impossible to miss. Designed by renowned French architect Jean Nouvel, KKL Luzern opened its doors in 1998. Beneath its dramatic flat roof, you'll find more than just great architecture. The building houses the impressive Lucerne Art Museum, a sleek convention center, and several inviting restaurants overlooking the water. But the true heart of KKL Luzern is its incredible concert hall, an acoustic masterpiece that draws music lovers from all over the world. With its elegant design and crystal-clear sound, it hosts a full calendar of performances, from solo recitals to symphony orchestra concerts. It's also home to the prestigious Lucerne Festival, one of Europe's top classical music events. Whether you're a classical enthusiast or just in the mood for something special, KKL Luzern offers an unforgettable night out by the lake. Number 5. Hofkirche. Sitting gracefully on a hill above Lucerne's old town, the Hofkirche, also known as the Church of Saint Leodegar, is a true architectural gem. Its twin spires rise high into the sky, making it one of the city's most recognizable landmarks and a favorite for photographers. This historic site has deep roots, originally home to an 8th century Benedictine monastery. After a fire destroyed the earlier church, the current structure was completed in 1639. Today, it showcases a striking blend of medieval, Gothic, and Renaissance design, with its tall bell towers visible from miles around. Step inside, and while the interior may seem modest at first, look closer. You'll find beautifully carved choir stalls, a richly decorated pulpit, and a dazzling gold and black high altar. The grand organ adds even more to the atmosphere. Don't forget to explore the arcades outside, lined with elegant tombs of Lucerne's most prominent families. It's a peaceful space filled with history. Whether you're drawn by architecture, history, or quiet reflection, the Hofkirche is a must-see. Number 4. Rosengart Collection. Just steps from Lucerne's train station, the Rosengart Collection is a must-visit for art lovers. Housed in an elegant neoclassical building, this museum may be small, but it packs a powerful artistic punch. Inside, you'll find an impressive selection of works by two of the 20th century's most celebrated artists, Pablo Picasso and Swiss-born Paul Klee. Opened to the public in 2002, the museum showcases over 300 works from the private collection of art dealer Angela Rosengart. The ground floor highlights Picasso's genius, with paintings, drawings, and photographs that give you a closer look at both his creativity and character. Downstairs, the basement is dedicated to the colorful, dreamlike world of Paul Klee. What makes this museum stand out is how personal it feels. Rosengart knew Picasso herself, and the museum's thoughtful layout reflects that connection. Beyond Klee and Picasso, you'll also find stunning pieces by Monet, Kandinsky, Miro, Matisse, and Cézanne. Whether you're a seasoned art enthusiast or just curious, the Rosengart Collection offers an inspiring glimpse into modern art history. Number 3. Old Town. Lucerne's Old Town is like stepping straight into a storybook. Located on the right bank of the River Reuss, this beautifully preserved area is full of charm, history, and color. Narrow stone streets wind past timber-framed buildings, many of them painted in bright, cheerful tones that give the Altstadt a fairy tale feel. At the heart of it all is Kornmarkt, home to the Altes Rathaus, or Old Town Hall, built between 1602 and 1606. Its Italian Renaissance design is crowned with a classic Swiss hipped roof, and the neighboring clock tower dates all the way back to the 14th century. Just a short walk away, you'll find Weinmarkt, a quaint square with a striking late Gothic fountain, perfect for a photo stop. Don't miss Kapellplatz, where Lucerne's oldest church, St. Peter's Chapel, has stood since 1178. Although it was renovated in the 18th century, it still holds echoes of its medieval roots. Wandering through Lucerne's old town is an experience in itself. Every corner invites you to slow down, look up, and soak in centuries of history and charm. Number 2. Lion of Lucerne. Tucked into a quiet corner of Lucerne, the Lion Monument is one of the city's most powerful and emotional landmarks. This beautifully carved sculpture honors the bravery of over 800 Swiss guards who lost their lives defending King Louis XVI during the French Revolution. The monument shows a dying lion, carved directly into a sandstone cliff above a still, reflective pond. Its expression of pain and loyalty captures the deep sorrow of that moment in history. American author Mark Twain once described it as the most mournful and moving piece of stone in the world. And it's easy to see why. The Swiss guards died while protecting the royal family during the attack on the Tuileries Palace in 1792. Many were killed in battle, while others were captured and later died in prison. Fewer than 100 escaped. A visit to the Lion of Lucerne is more than just a photo stop. It's a quiet moment of reflection on sacrifice, loyalty, and the human cost of history. Number 1. Boat ride on Lake Lucerne. One of the best ways to take in Lucerne's charm and stunning surroundings is by heading out onto Lake Lucerne for a relaxing boat ride. Right from the city center, you'll find plenty of options. Whether you want to cruise on a romantic paddle wheel steamer or hop aboard a modern yacht or speedboat. Lake Lucerne stretches 38 kilometers, making it Switzerland's 4th largest lake. Its unique shape includes several arms, all surrounded by dramatic mountain landscapes that seem to rise straight out of the water. Once you're on board, you'll glide across the lake's sparkling surface, passing by charming towns, forested hills, and scenic alpine views. Boat tours range from quick one-hour rides to half-day adventures that often include lunch, drinks, and even walking tours at various stops. It's the perfect way to slow down, catch your breath, and enjoy the fresh mountain air. After a few busy days exploring the city, we found this peaceful cruise to be the perfect change of pace and a truly unforgettable part of our trip.